Udston and Glenlee Local Nature Reserve is located approximately 2 miles from the centre of Hamilton. The reserve is divided into two parts, Glenlee Woods to the north and Udston Woods to the south. Both woods are remnants of old estate properties, which is evidenced by some of the magnificent tree species that can be found throughout the reserve. South Lanarkshire Council Countryside and Greenspace are involved in a project called Get Outdoors, which is in partnership with Voluntary Action South Lanarkshire. They are working with the communities around our local nature reserves and encouraging local residents to enjoy a walk or spend a little bit of time connecting to nature. There are 17 local nature reserves across South Lanarkshire, and these sites are important for wildlife and natural heritage and are also close to towns. The project is all about encouraging people to get to know their local nature reserves and to walk in and explore them and enjoy a little bit of wilderness on their doorstep. The Get Outdoors project has supported a number of programmes and events with the local community, including a summer family programme with a Hill House supporting our community group delivered by the Rangers Service. The aim being to encourage residents to visit the reserve and to use it recreationally with their families.
I love going down the woods and I just like it, and you could make dens and you could do arts and crafts and you can do a lot of stuff.
Staff from several of the local schools have also undergone training within the reserve to enable them to use the site for outdoor learning and to encourage their pupils to develop a healthy connection to the woodlands. Conservation volunteering days also take place throughout the year, involving local people who work along with South Lanarkshire Council's Countryside and Greenspace staff, carrying out tasks within the nature reserve that will benefit the wildlife and to keep the paths open for people to enjoy. Udston and Glenlee is an ideal place to go for a short walk and also to spend some time looking and listening for what it has to offer. Despite it being surrounded by housing, schools, an industrial estate and busy roads, it is very easy to forget that you aren't somewhere much more rural.